Got this backpack, $5 at the thrift store. Long ago. Amazing. I love thrifting. So today is a week-long birthday that I'm throwing for my daughter. We're gonna be heading to the beach soon, take you along with us. And we're doing some little things here and there every day. Yesterday was her pre-birthday cake. Yeah, something like that. I just want my daughter to know later on when she can understand this, years from now, during what's going on with the world right now, your father still loves you, your family still loves you, and let's just have fun. Don't worry about this. Of course you're not gonna worry, you're just a baby, so have fun with it. Let's go to the beach. So if you're out and about without a mask on, it's a $100 fine, even if you're not 6 feet away from somebody, as far as I know. I didn't really ask, but I don't want any problems. So right now I'm gonna be going to somewhere I love. It's a crepe shop here in Monterey. I love it. Well, unfortunately the cream melted, but this looked a lot better when I bought it.